Make a great choice today with the 2018 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, radio data system. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.